Hey, good morning, good morning, good morning, friends, and happy Tuesday. It is 9:25 in the morning. We are 5 minutes early for you guys, bright and early, for free today as well, I might add. Good morning, Mr. Trading Cowboy. How are we doing
Let's
today,
go.
sir?
Good morning, guys. For free, guys. For
For
free.
stinking free. Free fitty today. Man, so let's talk about overnight. So, well, even yesterday, yesterday we just had an absolute ripper of a day. Squeezed the shit out of the shorts the entire day until we hit that price target that we kind of talked about, interestingly enough, at the beginning of the day, our 25,100. To then
Yeah.
have it just sell the heck off just the rest of the day. The rest of the day, the rest of the night, the rest of this morning. We're starting to potentially form maybe like a little W-shaped recovery here. But what are our thoughts so far, man? What are we thinking?
I mean, I'm kind of hoping, everybody will wake up this morning and say, "Oh my gosh, what a deal is, the market's at a steal right now. Let's
Yeah.
buy this sucker." And we just get a rip your face off back up to 25,000. But
Hell yeah. I know. That's what I'm kind of thinking too. I mean, again, real bullish on the day. Yesterday I was real bullish on the day. My first two friggin'
yeah.
trades were shorts, and that was not good. So today, we're not going to do that. So did you? Man, I missed it. I just, being away from the family for so long and everything else, I left the house and never came back yesterday. Did you end up trading the whole session though? Did you do all the way till 4 o'clock?
Yeah, yeah. Yeah, we
Nice,
traded all
dude.
the way through. So
So how is this like? Because I'm just now seeing how is that candle literally at 3:05? Did you guys catch that thing? That's a nuts candle right there.
yeah, I think we caught that one. And then,
25,090.
it was kind of crazy because we had a lot of people jump on and kind of jump in the chat and stuff. So it was really fun.
Good.
And then at like, I don't know what it was, 2:30 or something, a guy jumps on and he's like, "Why are you trading NQ?" I'm
What?
like, "What do you mean?" He's like, "Well, like literally nobody else is trading NQ right now." And I'm like, "Well, if nobody's trading it and this is a sim account, why is the real market moving up and down, 25 points per
Huh.
minute?" And he's like, "Well, there's just no, I mean, that you need to be trading the morning session and stuff." And literally while he was doing it, I was like, "Okay, well, can you explain to me why I'm up $1,200 in this trade right now as we're speaking
Right.
and why I shouldn't be trading it?" And he just disappeared. So
What? I didn't know. I thought
me
maybe
being
because.
myself, I subscribed to his channel. I went and watched all his videos, gave him some comments back on, you're doing good, kind of
Yeah.
did the reverse, on
Yeah.
him. And
Yeah. Man, and you know what's funny too is people like that, they never know how to react when you do it, especially if you don't do it in like a persnickety way or anything else. You just do it with like genuine kindness back and stuff like that, and they just don't know what to do.
yeah,
They kind of.
yeah, yeah. I mean, and the guy had 13 subscribers,
Yeah.
and I'm nobody, right? So he's in the same category with me, but
Yeah.
13 subscribers. And his late last video was why I lost $37 today.
My big loss of the day. Why I lost
Yeah, yeah.
37. That's too funny, man. Hey, good morning, Driving Obsession. Good morning, Isaiah. Listen, sir, I
Good
just saw
morning,
your
guys.
message too. We'll definitely get you on this week. I just honestly I didn't see it. I didn't see it in time. I don't really feel like I don't know tapping in at the exact moment right now. Let's not rush it. Let's just do it sometime this week. So if you're free either tomorrow, Thursday, or Friday, let me know. And then yeah, man, you can tap in with us for a little bit, see how the session goes. But I do have to insist though, if you're trading with us, make sure that it's on a eval funded or live. It can't be a demo. Yeah. Demos are fun, man. They're really stinking fun. But yeah, I don't want to give people the wrong opinion or wrong impression. If you're like, all right, we're YOLOing 150 contracts right now, and people are like, wow, he's really confident. I'm going to follow it. And then it's like, whoa, he just lost 10 grand. Now he's up 15 grand. Now he's down 6 grand. Are we longing it open? Right. So we got 30 seconds here. What are we thinking, Cowboy? I mean, we just got to wait and see. We got to wait and see if it
Yeah,
dips
I mean,
till.
we're gonna wait for it, of course, naturally. But yeah, I mean, I don't know why. I mean, if I could have jumped in right, at this 510 area, I probably would have jumped in there and then kind of set a stop. But
Yep.
I think it's going to be maybe a quick push to the bottom and then maybe just a rip straight to the top.
Yep. Which was what we were hoping for yesterday, and it didn't happen. Instead of just rip straight to the top, but candle 2 was where Cowboy got a full 100 points out of it. So let's see if we can get another full 100 this morning. But yeah, Isaiah, I would say that we're looking for the longs presumably as well, but not going in with a bias. I got mine zoomed way far out, so I can kind of see the levels a little bit better here as well.
Yeah, that's smart.
Well, it's something. I'm not sure if it's smart, but it's something.
Yeah, see, man, I wasn't sure what to do there. So
No, but right now, this could be kind of like a little triple top too, so you got to be careful right here at the 574. There's definitely some resistance. Boom, boom. If it breaks through, obviously 606. Fuck, man, it's just, I don't know. Same thing as yesterday. But
I mean, it was just it didn't come down here and test the bottom, but
man,
it was just to spin the wheel and see if you were right.
Oh, which I was always going to say, watch it's all day shorts now. People think it's going to be long just like yesterday.
Honestly.
And then instead, this is where the shorts do kick in. Huh. I'm not going to do it, though. Yesterday I did that. I was like, I'm so bullish, and then my first 2 friggin' things were shorts and didn't work out.
Well, 9 times out of 10, usually the first reaction is the wrong reaction.
Right.
So.
The devil. Me and the
On a
devil.
5-minute, we kind of bounced off the VWAP right there. Got a pivot point right above it.
Oh, yeah. Pretty good reaction off of it so far. ES is still looking good. Qs, where the heck did Qs go? Oh, man. Qs have a huge gap to the upside. They gapped down pretty darn strong. So NVIDIA did, too. Wow.
Yeah, I can't even see it on my chart.
Yeah, I know. I had to zoom out for a sec. That was my mistake that I made with Qs yesterday. I couldn't see the damn thing because they had fallen so far. Man, we're really giving people a good range right now. Like, you got the nice zoomed in view of the 1 minute. I got the zoomed out view of the 1 minute.
Yeah.
We got the zoomed out view of the 5. All you got to do is look at our screen, guys. We got you covered. We got the 9 down here at 560. We're flirting with the 580s at the moment. Oh, you stinking devil.
I'm going to try along right there.
Eh.
Right there at the 580s.
I like it. I don't
My
hate
stop's
it.
below that previous wick. It may just come right down, but that 580 was kind of giving us a little bit of support.
Yep.
Now it's going to push back down, I think. Let's see. Kind of wanted this to be a nice little bull flag. But
Yep. She's still just a little undecided.
yeah, she's fighting still. I'm going to add one right there just so I can have a little bit to... That way I can take some off if it does give us a pop.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think everybody's still kind of undecided right now.
Yeah.
I mean, there was 10 or 15 points real quick, but
Yeah, I know. It keeps dancing up a little bit. I keep thinking, like, man, I should take it. And then I keep realizing you didn't take it yet. So then I'm like, man, don't take it yet. You know?
hey, you click those buttons on that side for sure.
Yeah, which aren't necessarily the correct buttons.
Order filled.
I mean, we're getting those wicks to the bottom, kind of telling me it's wanting to go down, but
Come on, let's see a little pop. What time is it? 9:34. We got 30 seconds left for our 5 minute. Come on. Man, fighting it, fighting it, fighting it, fighting it, fighting it.
Oh, all right, I'm stopped out.
Oh, shit. Ah, well, here's the 200 right here. I guess I'll try one more at the 200, and then I got to get out of this quick if we're still going down. Shit. Come on, Greg. Get out. Get out while you still can. What are you doing?
I'm going to punch a couple at the 509. See if we can't ride back up and get some of our money back.
Come on. Come on. Come on.
Order filled.
Come on. A little higher, please.
All right.
A little higher,
Out right
please.
there, guys. Lost 198 on the first trade, got 150 back on that one, so we're only down. We're down about 50 bucks, guys. I think we're still going to get a little pump if it can. Kind of a little half retracement here, hit the 21, push back up.
Same thing. Dude, we squeaked it out. We were down 350. We're up 24. Woo!
Look at that.
Look at that. Look at that. The art of the
DCA.
DCA.
There you go.
Dude, honestly.
Don't try that at home.
Oh my God, man. That needs to be the name of our, like, instead of the art of the deal, the art of the DCA. Could that be the name of our course, or is that too, like, outlandish? I kind of like it.
I know a lot of people would hate us in the trading world.
Dude, that would be so funny, man. The art of the DCA. Ah, shit, man. So we got a little bit scared here. We got out of this. Yeah, we got out of the 60s. I mean, we were battling drawdown. It makes sense. But dang it, man. Yeah, I wish I should have kept a runner at the very least, Greg. It's hard too when you're in 350 bucks a drawdown, and then all of a sudden you're up 20 bucks. It's kind of hard to be like, hey, let's see if this runner, because that runner could have went down 80 bucks, and then you're down 50, and you're like, ah, fuck.
Yeah.
All right, let's get some music on today too. Pretzel rock. Man, so I don't have any time constraints today either. So maybe let's be strategic about this. Let's choose like a specific, hey, let's stop at this point, and then we'll start at this point. What do you think?
Sure. Yeah.
What time do you think you want to stop, and what time do you think you want to start?
I mean, whatever you think. I mean, you want to do like
yeah, maybe like 11:30 or something.
What your time is? So you're 9:38 right now.
Yeah, maybe like 2 hours, 2 or 3 hours.
Yeah, so if we do like
doing okay.
Yeah, if we do like 11 or so and start back up at noon.
Yeah, whatever it is, man.
Is that right?
I like it. Oh, and again, we haven't said it live, but congratulations on the 300. Woo!
Hey guys.
So of course, guys,
and we gotta
make sure...
have those subscribers for y'all's benefit, guys.
Right, man.
Not for ours yet. We're a long way from having it for ours, but when we get enough subscribers, then we start getting those accounts to give away. Guys.
Yeah, then we can make it rain the accounts, guys. So yeah, what we're talking about is Trading Cowboy just broke 300 subscribers. I think he's like 305 now or something. So please like and subscribe. I think we're up to 318 now. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo, yeah. Shoot. Look at that. So yeah, collectively 600, man. I mean, I don't know. I think that's kind of cool. I think that's pretty cool.
I think so. I mean, I started at 0.
Right.
I mean, this year.
Yeah.
So,
It's like December,
come on,
right?
guys.
Yeah, it was like
Yeah,
December,
yeah.
January, 0, and then boom, 3 months later, you know.
And I was thinking about it for like six to 8 months. I was like, okay, I'm gonna try this live deal, see if
Yeah.
it works. And
I'm gonna
then
try. I'm gonna
one
try.
day I
I'm
was
gonna
like,
try.
okay, this is it.
Yeah.
You know, I'm gonna do it today. And I logged onto YouTube and clicked start live, and it said, okay, you can in 24 hours. I was like,
I know, right? I know it. Oh, I know. I couldn't believe when I got into it, and they're like, "You need to have 50 subscribers." I was like, "Well, how am I gonna get to the subscribers? I feel like I need to do the lives to get to the subscribers." So then I was faking
Yeah.
my lives. You know, my first couple of videos, I was just recording like myself talking and stuff like that, like I was live. And I was just like, "Hey, chat, how
Yeah.
we doing? Up 300 points, chat. Look at us." You know,
Yeah.
Oh man.
Definitely
Yeah,
brings
Isaiah,
out the
what
best
is
in
this?
us, right?
Chop, I agree. A little bit of uncertainty. On the higher time frames, we're still kind of teasing that W-shaped recovery, but still a little early to tell. On the 1 hour, I mean, we rocket shipped up to Asian lows. We didn't touch London highs yet, which would be the 670, basically. Oh my God. Ugh. Dyslexia. 696. Look at that. I was thinking it was almost 700. I was going to say basically the 700s, and 670 came out because it's 696. I don't know. We're getting there. All right. So what kind of a base do we got forming? Oh, I thought this was cool too on the higher time frame. Look at this 1 hour. This is a support line that we drew. This support line is from January 27th. So it's older than 30 days old. We've kissed it, we've broken it, we've got above it. And then right here, without me even ever touching it or moving it, we came back down and perfectly kissed it to come back up. How nuts is that?
We got nothing on our chart, boss.
30 days old. Aw, son of a bitch.
Can
Thanks,
you rewind
man.
it? We're all watching.
We're all live. We're all live. Hold on. Let me make sure I don't show anything silly like I did last time. Show you all my nuclear secrets. Son of a bitch. So yeah, there you go, gang. That's what we were trying to talk about.
Okay.
Now
yeah,
you can
so
be
bounced off that from a
now
long...
you can be impressed with my genius. So here we go. January 27th, January 28th. That's when we hit that high. We've had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 touch points before we broke it. But then, yeah, interesting that we came back down and then perfectly kissed it for support.
And that always, it still blows my mind today. I mean, after all the trading we've done, that how you can draw the tops and that line becomes support at the bottom, you know, an hour later, a day later,
Right.
a month later.
Right. Yeah, I know it. I know it, man. Me too. I know there really is some, and I don't think we'll ever be able to figure it out, but there's got to be some mathematical equation that's pretty accurate to what the algorithm actually does, you know?
Right. Yeah.
But I guess there's too many, I don't know, what would you call it, like live variables or some shit like that. So here we're
Yeah.
touching this little bounce point again. Shoot, man. I'm not really paying attention, but I almost think maybe a long ski in a second here. What are we thinking? What are we thinking?
Yeah, I mean, honestly, I almost punched it at the 40s right there, but
We're at
I
the
guess I'm glad
200.
I didn't.
Yeah.
I mean,
Right.
this 28 area is going to kind of be...
Well, the 200 EMA is at 526. We're only 20 points above the 200 at the moment. VIX filled its gap. Oh, I don't know if that means anything. Hey, Miguel. VIX just filled its gap.
Good morning, Miguel.
Morning,
The
morning,
outlaw
morning,
himself.
morning. Yeah, I guess I want to see it wick through 526 and then pop back up. I want to see your little setup at 526. That's what I'm looking for. Something maybe like that. I'm going to try it, man. Just because purely it's the 200. I know we didn't really get the move yet, but see if we can't get a quick little 25-point pop at the very least. Oh, come on. Give me a little more than that. A little more than that.
Order filled.
Come on. What time is it? Uh-oh. This will take
There
one
it
more
goes.
off
There
just
it
because...
goes.
Oh, there we go. Come on, baby. Come on. So we get all the way back up to the 590s or something crazy like that. There we go.
There you
That's
go.
a good
There you
reaction
go.
so far.
Good trade.
Good reaction so far, gang. Come on, baby.
Right it, Greg. Right it, Greg.
Come on, bitch. No! No!
Stop filled.
Not bad, guys. All right. Shoo. Darn it, man. So in trades like this, oh, see, again, leaving a lot on the table. I guess I just shouldn't have trailed it so tight, huh? Yeah. It just
No,
would
I
have
mean, I
felt.
liked when you called out those 590s because that was the bottom of this little hammer candle, doji candle right here.
Yeah.
So that was a safe exit. Your
Yeah.
next safest exit would have been like 599.
Right.
But I wouldn't. I mean, for setting a TP, that's where I would have been. It was right there
Yeah,
at the
shoot,
90s
man.
or 99s.
And that's what I had it too. I had my TP there, and then I when it wicked down, I put my stop down here. I got stopped at the 70s. So maybe I got to be a little looser with a stop too. Just give a little bit more room to breathe.
And with a volatility like this, I mean, 10, 20 points wasn't far enough away to trail. I mean, now we're back down 40 points.
Right. So Nvidia still has a gap to the upside. Qs still have a gap to the upside. VIX already filled its gap to the upside, meaning it might be ready to come down. And if
Yeah, I
VIX
mean, this is a nice flush now, right? I mean, we clearly wicked over the 9 and 21, gave a good run, got a lot of people in up here at the top, and now we got enough strength to come down here and probably break this 500 area.
Well,
At least this 505, 510 maybe.
well, and
Or we get an inversion and
yeah, look, it's Head and Shoulders.
yeah.
I think you have a good call out, sir. I think it's going to end up being a Head and Shoulders, which, shoot, man, you'd have to put your stop way up here at 615, though.
Yeah.
Man, that sucks when you see stuff like that, because it does seem quite obvious. At the same time, there could, potentially be support here and everything else, but... Tapping the 200 again. Ooh, I didn't even take a shower yet today, guys. Look at that. You give me half cock. I could not wake up today. I just wanted to sleep and sleep and sleep and sleep. Yeah,
Buenos dias,
Charles.
says.
Right, bud, because you're what are you? You're $34 away from passing that account? Is that what it is? You're 34 away? Oh man, as we're getting your break, here's your break.
Yeah.
Look at that. We wicked hard down to the 490s. VIX is still pumping pretty good. ES is making a new session low. Qs are making a new session low.
$35, Charles says. Come on, Charles, you
35
got
bones. 35 bones, bud. Can you do like half a micro? Is that a thing? Can you do 0.5 of a micro? Could you imagine? Honestly, man, that's where we could make
Yeah.
our money. Let's open up the prop firm that allows you to quarter it. You can quarter your micros.
this. Yeah.
Could you imagine? I bet you we would get so many degens that would be doing it. Just like the guy that you were watching there. He's like, "How I lost $37 in one day." You
Yeah.
know? That would be the four. That would be the four. What would it be called though? We have the minis, we have the micros, and then those would be like the minuscules.
There you go. Minuscule Monday.
Right? All right, let's follow this candle here, man. This might be. That was our 950 candle. We have 4 seconds left. Pushing up real good.
Yeah, we're getting a lot of wick kind of.
Man, yeah, look at that. The 1 minute average candle range is 45 right now.
Yeah.
That's a lot of volatility, gang. 45 is huge volatility. If you were trading minis right now, that's getting
Oh yeah.
hard.
Well, I mean, this is totally off screen, but I mean, I went in on one of my funded at the bottom there,
No way.
and well, not the bottom, but
Yeah,
at that pretend VWAP we have.
yeah.
After it wicked through it, 2 minis, 10-point stop, and lost $400 in seconds. I
Oh
mean,
no, dude.
It wasn't even funny. So
No.
I've got it almost all the way back now, but
Yeah. I thought we were about to get a good story. Dang it.
no,
man.
no, a little nervous now, but
Yeah. I get it, man. Again, 45 average candle range. That's crazy. You're a nutball. Ooh, you're thinking this little
wanna-
bear flag, huh?
yeah. But I was thinking if it went 45 the other way, I'd be taking a payout today. So
Oh, yeah. Yep. Yeah.
and I was a little early, just a little early.
So VIX is starting to come down just a little bit. ES is finding a little support. Qs are finding a little support. We're right at the 200. We're just dancing on it. It's 952. Right at the bottom of our 5-minute range. Awfully wicky. 490. 50-point stop to go long. This is looking like a little bear flag, though. This is stupid for open, says Isaiah. Yeah, man. Again,
Yeah.
43 candle ranges, and look at these wicks. So this is definitely a actually, yeah. What is our overall range? 486, 500. Yeah, so it's still, I mean, 160, 170 point range. That's still pretty good, but it's very choppy. Very choppy. Ooh, Charles says he's gonna do 3 minis. You won't, Charles. You won't. Put the heartbeat monitor on your first, and then
Hey,
record
3
that.
minis and half a point, and Charles is passed.
Yeah, dude. Charles, heartbeat monitor, record that baby, and send it to me, man.
That's what was funny. I don't know if anybody watched my little short yesterday, but my little short yesterday, I did like I think I took I don't know, 5 or 6 trades, and it was and I made them as small as I could, and it came out to 15 minutes. So then I increased the speed by 20 times to get it down to 1 minute.
Yeah.
But if you look, my little heart rate monitor stays at 99 the whole time, because
Oh, no way.
every time I'm in it, I'll set it 80 or something.
Right.
Go down to 70. But then when I get in a trade, it just boom 100, and it just
That's funny. Damn, man. Yeah, this is kind of I don't know, not to say no man's land, because again, we are forming patterns. Like, this is trying to form a little bit of a bear flag, but we're getting crazy wicks with that flag.
I mean, I really liked how it popped back up here. I wish I would have got in down here at the 20s.
Yeah.
If it gives me another opportunity, you know, I might, and just set my stop below and just let it ride for a little bit and see what happens. I mean,
Something
I
like
hate
that.
for it to come down. I keep thinking it's going to come down and get that 369 and hit that low again, but
Yep. Something like that. Uh-oh.
yeah,
Too
I was
quick,
a little
though.
late, but
I mean, again, too stinking quick, man. So stinking quick. Crazy volatility today.
and if it breaks, we may just flip right around.
Order filled.
Yeah, I'm going to be tight with the stops with this volatility, man. I don't like this shit. It makes me nervous. It makes me too nervous.
Stop filled.
I mean, we're up 170 on the day. So not doing
Sheesh.
terrible. Terrible.
We're still down 50, so we're trying to get even or even worse.
Beat her up, beat her up, beat her up. Shoo, man. Look at those friggin' wicks on the 1 minute. It's crazy. What does the 15
Yeah.
look like? Oh, that's the 24 hour. That's the daily. Yeah, we might have found good support on the daily here at 400. We have strong support at 400s on the daily. So even worst case scenario, I don't see us breaking 400 today. Huh. Oh yeah, that's what you guys are seeing now. Oh, I loved it. Man, so again, shout out to Trading Cowboy. He's the whole reason that we have this beautiful screen right in the middle of us right now. But
Yeah, I mean, I love that right there.
yeah, dude, it's so nice that like I can go through this stuff and like I'm kind of talking to myself. I'm like, oh shit, I should probably show people this, and I'm like, oh, I already am. It's nice.
Well, and I need to get me. This is, I mean, I kind of want to. I have a TV set up kind of behind me that I never use, and it's like a, I don't know, it's like a 45 or I don't know, 50-inch TV maybe on the wall right above where our little weight rack is, and
Yeah.
I want to put our YouTube up there
Hell
because
yeah.
I have it pulled up, and it's so much clearer than Ninja.
Yeah.
So I want to put it on that big TV so I can just look up there and watch it, and I think I could see every trade. And,
Way better. I know, man, because
Yeah.
that's my problem too. Is I can never actually see, like I never know your quantity or anything like that. I can just barely make it out that you're in a long versus a short, and that's it.
yeah,
But I know, man. Another thing I need to do better at too, just like Patrick has, is we need like a designated TV that's talking about news and stuff too.
yeah.
5-minute range is very slow and choppy. Yeah, man. Look at this. Chop, 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 chop,
You ain't
chop.
wrong.
A lot of bodies. This is yesterday's low, is kind of 476, so that should provide us some support too. That's something I never do. I'm going to rotate accounts today. We're going to take that win on this one. So we're up
Heck yeah.
170 on that account. Now we'll switch over to Dish account. So we can blow this one up instead.
Yeah, keep the green one green.
Yeah, right? And then when Jackie comes home, she's like, "How'd you do today?" I'm like, I was green, you know, in one account.
That's when you rotate accounts again. Yep.
Yeah, I was green in one account. How many did you blow up? Fuck you. Don't ask me those questions, Jackie. All right, so down here to the 490s. Good reaction off the 490s. Oh, actually, that's the 480s. Good reaction off the 480s. Honestly, I am surprised by the weakness today. I thought that we were going to get a little bit more of a bullish day.
Yeah, and I mean, I drew the tops a while ago, and I mean, it's just riding that blue line now, right down.
Yeah. Here's our 10 o'clock candle. Ooh, good reaction up on the 10 o'clock candle, bud.
We're gonna sell some out of there.
Yes, sir. We went straight up to the 200, went straight up to our 9, 21, and 45. We're all hugging and kissing together. VIX is coming down a little. NVIDIA's going up a little. ES is going up. Man, if you still have a runner, hell yeah, hold that, baby. You'd think at least 560s. If it can rip through 560s, I think you almost got 590s again.
Yeah,
Shoot,
if we can get back above that trend line, I mean, we're up about almost 50 points right there. Well, 50 points right there.
Yeah,
so.
Beautiful trade off the bottom.
Pick one more off.
Beautiful trade off the bottom. The 10 o'clock savior candle.
I'm telling you.
We appreciate ya.
Yes, sir.
All right, so good reaction up, good reaction a little back down. We're still pushing up, man. It's still... I mean, I guess we got to make sure that wasn't just a wick to get a whole bunch of people, but as long as we don't
that
break...
may have been a little bit of strength to get some bulls in there so they can push it lower because... I mean, what do we want to do, right? When we're going down, we got to squeeze the bulls. When we're going up, we got to squeeze the bears. That's how we get those moves. So.
Yep. Isaiah says, 10:05, if nothing happens, he's quitting. He's hucking his computer into the lake, and he says, that's it. We're done. We're done with this trash. Oh, my God. Look at my hair. It's just all, like, weird today.
We're up 155 now, guys.
Yay! Yes, we can. Yes, we can. Yes, we can.
We had to go a little heavy, but I watched the video yesterday of a guy going pretty heavy, and it worked out for him. So I told Chad, I told the guys, I told Greg yesterday, I had to sit. I was like, man, I'm so proud of you. Look at that size.
Liz, oh, I know it, man. That's 16. Shee, that's 16. Isaiah.
Now I know why he wasn't talking when it was happening.
Right. Isaiah is down today from the chop. Oh. Yeah, this is a very choppy day. I mean, look at this. ATR is still 44. Bananas. Plus, look at our volume. Look at that 10 o'clock volume candle. It was 16,000. That's huge. And now the volume is just disappearing. So, shorts might honestly be the way. We might be seeing some weakness now here, boys.
I mean, that probably was the perfect opportunity to get in, was that 520 when it came back up and retested right there.
Yeah.
That was probably the market giving us one more chance to get in.
Right. Shoot, man, I haven't taken a short at all today, but I don't know. I feel like the second I take a short, that's when I'm going to start losing.
Yeah, so right here, there wasn't a wick at the bottom. It was pushing up, so I didn't want to go long. It tested the 9, but I mean, I don't know.
Yeah, I don't know, man. I guess I want to see it. I want to see it come back up to the 200, which is at 530. It's another 50 points from here. If it can pop back up there, maybe. I mean, we
definitely want to be targeting shorts.
Yeah.
Kind of dumb to be playing long, honestly, but.
Well, the thing that's teasing me is these gap fills because of NVIDIA and Qs. The NVIDIA and Q gap fills.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah.
So
we could have a massive gap fill.
Yeah, dude. So if they start going up, we're gonna go up. We're gonna go back to 25,000 today. But I guess on the flip side of that, like NVIDIA might want to retest its candle that's down here at 174, so it could drop another 5. Qs, I don't really see much in the way of support, except for it might be able to fall down a little bit farther to like the 593s. Ah, shit, man. We should just be in the short. It's going to be one of those things that's just going to start dumping, and it's going to go so fast probably to like the 3s, to the 400s.
Yeah.
Oh, What to do, what to do, what to do. I don't know. It's probably one of those things that you just don't do anything. You wait for it to fall to the 400s, and then you see if you can get the long in the 400s. There you have it. 5-minute range in it. Charles, did you win? Charles? Charles, what'd you get? Marco saying go long. Mark, I was about to go friggin' short too, bud. I was literally about to go short. I was thinking, that was a juicy short looking opportunity right now. Good job, Charles. What'd you end up hitting, bud? What'd you end up hitting? Charles, did you hit like $40 and you just gray button? Or did you did you overachieve and you're like 130? What'd you do?
Shorts,
one micro.
That a baby.
There you go. Give me the play-by-play. I want to feel like I'm in the driver's seat or the passenger seat.
Isaiah, I'm
is out. Isaiah is out.
Tell us a joke, Isaiah. Tell us a joke.
I went over $4, you overachiever. You sandbagging son of a bitch. Man, so for Marco's long, I do like this big old green candle, especially if it breaks the 500s again.
I mean, yeah, when Mark said go long, I just clicked it. I'm in.
Ah, shit.
I haven't been looking back.
I got a FOMO after
Mark,
you.
I hope you're right.
Ah, damn it. Well, I just bought at the top. I didn't realize everybody. I didn't realize the whole group was in except for me.
Isaiah, a joke are my traits today.
Mark!
I'm gonna take one off right there.
Mark!
Two off right there.
Mark! Beautiful call out from Marco. Beautiful call out from Marco. Look at that, sir. Look at that.
All right, last one's a break even. It's either gonna hit it or it's gonna run forever. Forever.
Oh, Mark, I love your brother's villain costume too, man. He friggin' killed it. He was looking so good, man. And then did you guys rent that orange Cybertruck, or did you just happen to see it in the parking lot? Yeah, man, he was killing it. The truck was just there. No way, man. That was perfect timing then. Yeah, that was too cool. What did he say when he saw it? He must have freaked out when he saw the truck. That's cool.
That was awesome. Yeah.
Yeah, that was awesome, man. So Mark with a good call out, man. I FOMO'd it at 500 and got it at 532. There you go. So I still was able to squeeze 32 points out of that thing. That's not bad. We're up 64 bucks on this account, up 170 on the other. Not hating it. I freaked out. I was like, dude, it's Vector's truck.
Heck yeah.
Yeah, dude. That's so cool. He must have freaked out too. That's like one of those photos that you print out, you know? That was a good... Which, man, I know we're trying to connect with the trading thing sometime sooner than later too. Hopefully, end of this week or early next week. But if regardless of that, also, man, like I offered, if you guys want to go boating or anything like that, please just let me know, man. I just got it back from the shop. Admittedly, it's kind of cold. You know, the water's probably a little bit cold and stuff like that. But if you guys want to rip, just let me know. Or we got the goats, we got the ducks, we have everything else here. So don't hesitate if you want to bring if the family want to hang out or anything. Terrible day. Oh, Isaiah, I'm sorry, man. We'll get it again tomorrow. Hey, before you go, Isaiah, really quick, have you ever heard of ATR before? Hopefully you can see this on my screen right now. See what I'm circling? This little yellow indicator, ATR. Presumably you do, but ATR being 43, that's every candle, the average candle size is 43 points. So when you see days like this, really scale down. You got to scale down, scale down, scale down. Because even just two like micros, you know, you could make or
Yeah.
break, you know, $200 to $400 pretty quick on two micros if it pops, you know, 50 points. But yeah,
Look at my
bud.
chart, guys. Look how close it came to stopping me out. Let me make it as big as I can. It came like a quarter tick from stopping me out right there, then ran back up.
Jeez, dude.
Mark's
I
a
didn't know that
genius,
you would.
guys. Follow Mark.
So you never got out. Oh, you never got out. You were just holding the
Oh no,
diamond.
I had 6 or 7 of them, so I just scaled them out as it went up, and then I just kept one. So
The diamond-handed cowboy.
it's gonna stop that one out, or we're gonna close it at 3 o'clock today.
See, that's the thing that you guys don't know about Trading Cowboy is he made his money in the diamond rush. Instead of the gold rush, he moved to Texas. He started mining some diamonds, so he got them diamond hands. He knows how to hold. So let's see, man. VIX is still spiking up, this scary little devil. And it still has, I don't know, 25 cents to go. Maybe another 60 cents to go. But NVIDIA is kind of curling up, even though it's getting red again. Ooh. So Mark says, I called that long because it was looking like it was going to bounce off the bottom of the 15-minute orb, but then it left a big wick, so I figured it was a long. Well, I like it, sir.
Yeah, Mark, and that's exactly what I mean. It's funny, but that's what, if I can drag it over there. I mean, that's exactly what I saw too. I mean, there's my 15-minute, and when I put my cursor down right there, that 463 was our 50% below the box from yesterday. And so when you said that and I saw that, I was like, okay, click, 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 and that's one. My last one I think was at 67. So
guys, if you
yeah,
want,
the one I have left, my entry was 67.50. So
nice. If you guys want to know my insight behind my decision, it was because Marco said I went long, and then I looked up and Trading Cowboy said I went long. So then in my brain, I didn't look at anything else, and I just went, well, shit, I'm long too. And that was it. That's as far as mine went. I didn't look at the time. I didn't look at candles. I didn't look at nothing. Look at that. It's still working too, gang. It's still working beautifully. Still working beautifully.
Charles says that's a great start.
That is a great start. That's a
The
great
strat,
strat. It's a great
Yeah.
strat. Honestly, both those work. That's a great start. Follow Cowboy, follow Marco. Also a great strat. Follow Marco, follow Cowboy. You know? Drill it into your brain. I mean, not for
And that's
nothing, but there's
basically our
50
course,
points
guys.
right there, right? Literally.
Yeah.
And we have our 200 here at 524 for support still. We have a brand new candle coming in 5 seconds. We've gotten some good wicks up there. Ooh, VIX is plummeting. I might, not to FOMO like I like to do, gang, but I might take a little long ski off that 9, hoping that that's our little support button. Because VIX is going down and NVIDIA is going up, but we'll see. Ah, darn it, Mark. Where were we on that one? You're supposed to tell me not to do that. No, I still think it's, I don't know. I still think it might be good. Come on. We got 30 seconds left of this candle. She's looking heavy, though. She's a little heavy. Little heavy.
Order filled.
Come on. Let's get back up to this 200 at least. Come on, NVIDIA. VIX is still coming down. Shoot, man. I don't know. It should.
It's getting real wicky, yeah.
It's just getting so stinking wicky. Alright, I'm going to take one off. Get my average down a little better. Come on, you stinking thing. Go, go, go. Come on. Now's your time to shine. Ah. There we go. We got a magical yellow line of support now, guys. I'm helping you guys out in the longs by drawing this nice little magical yellow line for you. Come on, come on. Man, this thing is dancing to the music, basically. Look at her dance. Bands will make her dance. Bands will make her dance. Bands will make her dance. All right, I got stopped out. Oh my god, man. I don't know. I just cracked myself up. Mark's not
like,
trading.
look at this, guys. Look at this, guys. Look at it dancing. Look at it going. All right, I'm out.
Oh, God. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Getting a little wicky. Little wikis. Oh, VIX, what are you doing to us? NVIDIA's curling back down a little bit. Q's is curling. ES is curling. This might be a little push. I still think we have solid support at 400s, though. On the daily, it looks like we have crazy support. Oh, it just wicked you?
Yeah.
Son
just
of a
wicked
bitch.
it. I think I made $10 on that one.
Thought we were friends, NQ.
Yeah.
Yeah, look at this wicks on the 5-minute. That's crazy. Which definitely an ugly kind of consolidated bear flag, which is starting to play out a little bit here. NVIDIA still has kind of stair-stepping support going up, even though it's red at the moment. Huh. ES just made a new session low. On the 1 hour, we're right at the bottom of our range.
There. Good job, Mark. Man, it kept kind of respecting that line and just pushed right off of it. And
yeah.
If I wouldn't have been in that trade when it wicked me out on this candle, I would have, when it retested the 9 right there, I would have shorted it, but I was still in that long, so.
Man, I'm almost wondering. Now we can start looking for longs. I don't know if we can yet, Mark. I still think maybe 400s. I think 400 is going to be our strong support. Which we're only 40 points away. Darn it, man. I was, I'm tempted to even short this right now, but same thing. Your stop would have to be like 100 points up. It'd be 520 for your stop.
Yeah.
It'd be insane. So yeah, I guess just let her fall. Let her fall, boys. Don't touch it. Or you can. If you guys are nutballs, I mean, try.
I was going to say maybe at the 20s.
Maybe short at the 20s? You're saying longy at the 20s.
Maybe long. I mean,
Oh, yeah.
423 is our 50% below the box, but we got to see how it reacts for sure. But
I don't hate it because, like, I mean, it'd be a 50-point stop, basically. You start it with one.
Yeah.
Buy one at the 420s, buy one at the 400s, buy another one at 370s. Get out at 340. I don't know. I closed my trade at the 60s like an idiot. Aw. Yeah, dude, listen, man, this is a hard day to trade though. Just it's so wicky, you know. So you're seeing really fast swings, so I don't know. 24,392 is pre-market, but overall if bearish, 24,240, then 23,904 is the long run, says Charles.
Wow.
Charles is pointing his bat towards the 24,000s. Yoish, big dog. All right, let's see it. So what is it? It's 1220. No. 1440. Yeah, there you go. Here's our daily. So this is why I was thinking strong support at the 400s. This 412 is like kind of these bodies right here. But yeah, this is why Charles is thinking 24,245. He's looking at the bottom of the wick right there. Otherwise, this is where he's looking at the 23,909.
Wow.
Man,
24,392.
doing a little
Nice.
high time frame traders over here. I like it. All short a bear flag. I just felt like with all the wicks, we needed some liquidity for the market to move, says Marco.
Yeah.
Charles, I got my one micro targeting 24,392 on the funded. Dang. Charles, just unzip it and pop it on the table. God damn, bud. Hitting us with the funded. Well, needless to say, my W-shaped recovery was for the most part wrong. Man, what are we thinking though? Here we are down here at the 400s. This is what I kind of wanted for my long. Now I kind of feel silly if I don't take it. But I guess we should probably wait for a little move, huh? Let's wait for a little green candle stacking on a green candle.
Yeah, we kind of need to wait. I mean, we clearly missed a 120-point drop.
Charles goes, that 270 bucks is about to make me extremely wealthy. Hey, listen, man. Listen. Listen to me. There's no bigger flex than taking your girl to that drive-thru and saying, listen, baby, today, full menu. You don't have to do dollar menu today. No value. You can do full menu because we hit it big.
Yeah. Yeah, you can order everything individual if you want.
Exactly. Whoa. Whoa. Buy the 10-piece nugget, throw 2 of them out because we don't give a shit because we got money like that.
Yeah.
Shoo. Charles. Marco goes, supersize it, baby. You can have the world today. You can have the world. Actually, gang, you want to know why I'm trading so well today? This is why we're trading so well today. We got our sink or swim shirt on.
Oh, shoot.
Shoo. All right, so we're down here at the 380s now. I don't know who the heck told us we should go long at 420s. It was me. It was me. But let's see if we can get a green on green. Really like the logo. Thank you, Charles.
Heck yeah.
Me too, sir. I really like it too. Thanks. Thanks, bud. That was the push I needed today. Man, so NVIDIA session low. Q's broke the support that I thought they would have for support. ES session low. Did ES break the support I would have considered as support? Man, I don't even see where ES has support. This is a pretty nice candle so far, though. Popped up to the 4s. We came back down halfway. Now we're starting to come back up and push. Nope, little early still, huh? What the hell?
Yeah.
I mean, I'm going to try it just so you're not there by yourself. Plus, I mean, it's still, there's, in the next couple of minutes, it's got to come up here to the 21, you know?
I think this is just going to be a small retrace maybe, but I think, yeah, I mean, I think we could get up to the 20s for sure. Maybe we can get in between there, but. Oof. Nice push down.
Wicked
It stopped
us.
me out.
Wicked us.
I'm going to wait for this low and see what happens at this low.
Yeah. Charles got it. Charles got the 24,392. Oh, just
Actually,
a friggin'. It tapped me
here.
perfect just for us to go right the heck back up. Finicky devil.
Oh. I look like a genius for a minute, guys.
Charles goes, this is why I hate being on the screen after placing a trade. It brings the emotions high. Yeah, I know it.
Right.
Well, it was looking good for a second, gang.
I mean, right here on the 1 hour, that's where we bounced, you know, that we took out that low. We didn't really take it out a whole lot.
Yeah, and this is our London low right now that we're hitting. Come on, little reaction back up. Tap the 9, hopefully. Oh.
Hold on just a second.
350s, shit. Man, I don't want to keep buying, but my support line on the daily is at 350. Ugh. So maybe one more buy at the 350s and then we might get out. Here's a new candle. Yeah, starting to look like a short stay. Yeah, I agree, man. Ah. Come on, come on, come on. It's getting pretty close to my last line of support here. Come on, 1030 candle. Hey, guitar guy. Nice to see you, bud. Nice to see you with a win, too. Just caught a quick $200 shorting 5 M&Q micros. Let's go, bud. Nice, man. It's always nice when those happen with some relatively decent size, too, right? Nicely done, bud. Nicely done. I'm freaking, so you were short, and while I was going long, you should have warned me. Which, look at this beautiful bear flag playing out now, man. I was thinking the 350s would be our nice little last place of support, but now we're just kind of following a falling knife too much, and we got to get out of it. We're going to add just a couple more, hoping that we'll get a little 5-minute push just to get out of the stinking thing. And then we'll reset. Got 40 seconds left of this 5-minute candle. Starting to get a little bit of a push. Just needed to go a little higher. no. Still 30 seconds left. No, it's going to go the wrong way. Man, look at that. Went all the way back up to my blue line. Come on, 3 seconds. Nothing? No push here at all? There we go. There we go.
Order filled.
All right.
Order rejected.
All right.
Stop filled.
Still got one. Whoops.
Stop filled.
All right. Well, got out of it clean. Got out of it clean. What a friggin' reaction. Damn it. I wish Cowboy was back. That was his chance to get out, too. Does he have a stop in? I can't even tell. I don't even think he has a stop in right now. Which maybe it's a good thing he's not here. Watch, now it just rocket ships up 200 points and he friggin' takes a massive win. Mark took a 10-point short, and he says it was a bad idea, but he caught some points. Man, I don't know. The shorts are shorting right now. But it is interesting. It came right back. It came down to that 350 we were talking about and then bounced perfectly. I just didn't wait. I didn't wait for that 350. There we go. Cowboy, come back. You got to close out your shit. Damn it, man. I should have held that a little bit longer. Look at that reaction up now. Beautiful reaction up. All the way up to the 21 here. 416. Look at that, sir. Look at that. We were in some solid drawdown too, bud. We were in some solid drawdown for a second. I kept averaging out and got out of it, luckily, relatively clean. But I got out at the 391s. Here we are, 30 points higher. Mark says, I feel like this is what the market does. They get everyone leading short and then pop. Yeah, bud. Shoot, man. Look at that trade
Diamond
now.
hands, diamond hands.
Look at that trade now, bud. Shoot, man. Yeah, I had 4 of them. I averaged down to 4. Unfortunately, got it out in like the 370s here. Could have held for another 50 stinking points. That would have been nice. Man, which I just saw, talking about diamond hands, I just saw there was a Bored Ape NFT that had sold for like 3 mil back in the day. It was now worth like $40. It's like, damn, that's a bath.
Yeah.
That's a bath on a really stupid thing too. You know, like you have a digital artwork that anybody can basically obtain. Guitar guy, yeah, I'm happy. Done for the day. Made a couple wins on the MQ Minis. So done for the morning. Nice, sir. That's all you need. And that's the thing, man. Walk away. Don't come back. Don't come back to the trades or anything like that.
Yep, lock that account.
Yep, lock it out. And then just solidify what you did right today. Think about everything that you did right, and then just try to do it again tomorrow. And don't size up tomorrow. Don't try to do more trades tomorrow. Just try to do the same exact thing. I have a Shohei Ohtani NFT. I'm up 2x over 4 years. Nice, dude. Actually, I'm not even aware of it. I got to look it up. What is a Shohei Ohtani? Oh, no way. The, baseball player. Okay. Man, there was a stock I was investing in back in the day that ended up just being a massive pump and dump rug pull. But it was called Humble. And that's what they tried to start doing, was they had blockchain authentication for like sports teams and things like that.
Yeah, Mark. And what happened with he was the guy that his best friend was his manager or whatever, and got in some of that betting trouble, right? Whatever happened with that?
Oh shit! Whoops.
His manager or interpreter maybe was betting against other teams and stuff, and using his money and.
No way.
I don't remember the whole story, but
Yeah, he's the Japanese Babe Ruth.
yeah, for
That
sure.
guy's in
The
jail.
guy's in jail. Okay.
No way. Man, I actually almost want to jump into this long. This is a really nice looking bull flag on the 1 minute. I just want to see if it wants to come down to the 375s first, or are we going to get some green candles here?
Oh, let me
There's
move my
our
stop back down.
Here's our 5. Oh, are you out of it right now? No.
No, I'm still in, but my stop was at 376, so I moved it below 375 just in case.
Yeah. Which, yeah, man, I don't know. It seems like this might be a chance.
Order filled.
We need NVIDIA to turn green and not fall. If NVIDIA falls right here, then it'll be a little bit trickier. VIX
Yeah,
is
and
still...
that's kind of the only scary part is it's fixing to go test the bottom of its opening range box.
Yeah.
So.
VIX is doing okay.
I mean, it's the perfect setup for a bull flag. That we just needed that candle, that previous candle, to push because we had our stair step down. That last candle wick below all the wicks.
Yep.
It just can't push.
Come on, baby. Give us the push. $40 left on this candle. Alright.
Order filled.
Getting out to get back in. Gonna see if I can get a better entry.
I mean, you struggled through that whole thing. You were so nervous, and then then there's nothing to worry about, and you jumped out.
Every time, bud. Every time. Man, she's pushing nice too. She's pushing nice. Son
Yeah, I
of
may have to put my hat on for this one, guys. We're getting close to 100 points again.
Yikes, buddies. Yeah, it's looking like a beautiful bull flag now. I entered off the 1,000 tick chart, caught 40 points, Mark. Nice, man.
Sweet, heck yeah.
I know you've brought that up a couple different times. The 1,000 tick chart. I honestly don't even. I don't even know what the hell this is, if I'm being honest. I've never once done this before. I don't know what this is. This is the 1,000 tick chart? Whoa, what the fuck is this? What is this, bud? What are we trading here? What the hell is this? 24,442? What are we looking at? Have you ever messed with this before? The tick chart?
I followed a few guys there probably about a year ago that was doing all the different tick charts. It's a little interesting. I mean, it does work. It gives you a totally different perspective, right, of what's going on.
Yeah.
But
I know, I'm trying to see how the two kind of like compare right now. Damn, that's crazy looking. So now we're sitting right on top of the 200 for this tick thingy. Here's the thing. Any time-based chart will not allow you to catch every move. The tick chart is divorced from time. Therefore, you get a lot more bull and bear flags. Interesting, man. Huh. Interesting.
I mean, it's kind of like playing the 1 second chart or the 5 second chart. You're like, what is going on?
Yeah, it's giving you a lot of data, huh? Oh, because it's every 10 seconds. That's what it is. This is showing you every 10 seconds. I'm only trading it currently on evals. Huh. Pretty interesting, though, man. Man, the bull flag is still bull flagging.
Order filled.
Try the 1000 volume chart. Oh my god. This might fit your style better, Greg. Interesting. Well, we'll give it a try for a sec. Uh-oh.
Order filled. Order filled.
Come on, baby. Let's see a big pop. A big old pop.
No. Better put my hat on. For the video.
For the video. For the videos. For the videos. What was your entry? What was your entry? What is 100 points?
372.25.
Yes, dude. 372. So we need 472 for 100 points for the Cowboy.
Let's go.
Come on.
Doing it live daily, guys, right here. Sink or swim.
Woo! Oh, come on. Don't you come down, you devil. Don't you come down, you devil. We'll put my stop below the 21 because I'm chicken shit compared to Diamond Hand Cowboy Hat over here.
All right, I'm going to take it back off, and now we can maybe target 200 points. I don't know.
Oh, a 200
We'll end the
pointer
video
today?
early if it doesn't work.
Target a 200 pointer today?
I mean, clearly, can't we at least
Come on, baby.
push back up to 510, 500?
Come on, baby.
Stop filled.
I
All
mean, yeah,
right.
Greg, if you think about it on that 1,000 tick chart, every time that candle moves, you know, a quarter tick, that's one tick. So
Yeah.
whenever it goes up and down, it could go up and down in one candle and get 1,000 ticks,
Right.
and it would start you a new candle. So that's why time isn't, it's not time, it's more volatility and movement.
Interesting.
Did I say that right, Mark? I think.
Very interesting.
It shows, I mean, and it kind of show, I mean, in that the way I was kind of explained to it, I mean, it shows more of the, you know, the consolidation areas. You do get better bull flags and bear flags, but
Yeah. Interesting.
and then when you get fewer bars, you can kind of say, okay, you know, we got slower activity, less volatility.
Yeah. All right, for science, guitar guy. For science, let's try it. All right, so that was the ticks. Let's try the. Let's try the.
Dashiki, yeah, shows the rhythm better, yeah.
Let's try the
It just takes all the noise out
1000.
of the market, all the hype and everything going on.
So here's guitar guy. Here's the 1000 volume chart. Which seems very kind of similar to the tick chart, I guess. But yeah, same thing. That's so interesting to see, like a candle every 3 seconds or 5 seconds, or it fluctuates, man. It fluctuates based on obviously the volume. Huh. So you're almost looking at, oh, Dashiki shows the rhythm better. Hey, and welcome, Dashiki. Thank you so much for chiming in, saying hi, giving us your insight and your input. We thoroughly appreciate it. We
Yeah,
do this
for
every
real.
single day, too. If you like us, you know, don't hesitate to give us a like and subscribe. Same thing with the
Heck
Trading
yeah.
Cowboy. Has his own separate channel as well as this one that we do together. So please make sure that you like and subscribe him as well. And he usually does a lot of the afternoon sessions when I'm generally speaking gone as well. Man, I'm going to be so screwed up. I'm like, man. Huh.
Charles, what's happening? I think I heard Greg scream. What did I miss?
Greg's getting all excited. Greg's getting all excited.
Greg moved over to the 1,000 tick chart.
Yep.
and he has no idea what it says.
We're on the 1,000 ticker. We just broke our yellow line. Wow, man. This
He's
thing gets
reading
some.
Braille day trading.
Man, the only thing about this though is again, like I'm that dog chasing the car, so I'm like, there's so much like woohoo, you know? Like, let's do it.
Yeah.
Let's fucking well, I'm all in. I'm all in. Ooh, like look at that. What? Man, bananas. All right, I gotta switch back to the 1 minute. I'm gonna keep looking at that though, Mark. I like that. And look at that. The it changed the trend line too. That 1,000 tick chart is showing a much better trend line than the 1 minute is showing right now.
Yeah, and that's kind of what the tick chart does. I mean, it gives you a clear tick chart, and then it changes those. And I'll get it wrong, guys, so y'all can yell at me, but the candle colors, make all the difference too.
Wow. Definitely a curiosity. So what did we hit? We came down to the 350s, beautiful call out, and then we've just had a massive 100-point ripper ever since. Oh shoot, man. Look at this. This is giving me crazy FOMO too, though. I'm like, whoa. And then how does that look compared to the 1 minute? The 1 minute is forming a bear flag.
I mean, I really don't think we're done down here. I mean, Nvidia kind of tried to pop back up. There's no wick on the bottom of that 5-minute candle now.
So you think we're red is
trying to push, but it just gets wicked right back down.
There's 0 wicks on the last 3 5-minute candles for VIX. That's kind of weird.
Yeah.
So that's giving the support to the thesis that we're going down, huh? Man, I'm screwed up now. Is this the 1 minute? Is this the 1 minute chart? Look at me. I'm all zoomed out now because this is what it was looking like for the tick chart. Now I'm like super zoomed out because I'm like, is this what we were looking at? And I'm like, oh no, because this is a whole day worth of data now.
Greg's like, am I high or is this?
I know, right? You guys saw that dragon, right? Did you guys just see that dragon? Oh man. All right, so our 9 is curling back up. 9 is curling back up over the 21. It's looking relatively okay for a potential push. I just don't like how VIX doesn't have any wicks on the top of those last 3 candles. So that would lead me to think that VIX wants to spike sooner than later. As I'm talking shit, and this guy's still in his trade. Oh, right, you just haven't gotten out of that trade. You've been in that trade now for 30 minutes.
Yeah.
Wow. So the stop would have to be at 400, really. Is that what you have? Oh, no, you have it a little bit lower. I see you. You're at 390.
Yeah, I just didn't want it to wick through the 400 and pop back up. So
right.
I kind of have it at that last lower wick over here. But
damn it, guitar guy. So I showed you the volume chart, then I lose $300 on the volume chart. I'm out damn right. No, man. Well, you were supposed to walk away. You were supposed to walk away. You weren't supposed to trade anymore, sir. Ugh. Yeah, man. Charles, that's what you missed. Cowboy. Diamond Hands Cowboy over here is holding for over 30 minutes. Which I wish you weren't, sir, because if you weren't, I feel like we'd be in the short together.
oh yeah, for sure. Here's kind of that wick through that low. Let's see if it pops back.
Oh, yeah, there's that VIX spike I was looking for. Shoot, man. Getting me all excited for this short.
I mean, now we just want to see if it pops back up over 13 and holds, then it pushed right back below it, though, so. I know, Charles, isn't this crazy? I mean, my theme song actually says ride for 8 seconds, right? I mean, it's just like a rodeo. You get on, you ride for 8 seconds, you jump off, you throw your hat in the air.
Yee!
I mean, this is totally not my nature. Yeah, see how it popped right back over the 13s?
Yep.
So now we're kind of hoping that 13 area is kind of our support line, but oh, right back down.
Man, it's right
All right,
stinking
last
there.
runner hit.
Tapped out. I was
Mark,
short
I was
too,
short
Greg,
too,
says
Greg.
Marco. Thanks, Mark. Oh, man, did I miss it? You probably did tell me. You usually do good about that. You probably did say you're going short. I got it at 10:40 because of TikTok. Blah, 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 blah. Man. Oh,
I mean,
yeah,
I gotta
VIX
admit, I
is...
still like. I mean, it bounced right off the 380s.
Yeah. Because otherwise, VIX is still spiking a little. NVIDIA is still making session low. Mark says, didn't say anything. He was too focused on himself. Did you see that? He literally wrote, I was too focused on myself. Jeez, Mark. Good grief, sir. Thought we were becoming friends.
Yeah, we got to have Isaiah back. He's got your back.
Yeah, yeah, man. Man, Isaiah. His swings. I didn't realize he was doing a demo at first. That makes sense that you'd have crazy swings like that.
Yeah.
Yeah, he wanted to trade with us today. I said no. Maybe this week. If he doesn't do a demo, if it's a eval or a funded, he can trade with us.
Yeah.
But yeah, I don't want to get into I don't want to start like YOLOing crazy trades. I want to be smart about it. So Q's is kind of forming a little bear flag. ES is forming a little bit of a bear flag. NVIDIA is forming a little bit of a bear flag. We're forming a little bit of a bear flag. Kind of a hard consolidated range right here. I mean, really, we're just in a chop. We're just in a chop range between 390 and 470. I mean, it's a pretty big range.
There's Isaiah.
Hey! Am I revenge trading? Maybe.
So you were just in the background listening, right, Isaiah?
Right. So what are you at, man? What are you at? But again, you're gonna be he's gonna be like, I'm negative 20,000, and then in 3 minutes he's gonna be like, we're up 40 grand. Wait, what? Man, that'll be fun. Just honestly have the swings be a part of it. I just gotta make sure I don't get myself caught up in it, because yeah, this dude's gonna be like, all right, we're putting 200 contracts on our next long, and I'll be like, yeah.
Okay, let's go.
Are we doing it? Forming another little bear flag, man. I don't know. We're holding this line a little bit. I mean, if we break the 389s again, which we're not yet. I don't know. Talk some sense into me, cowboy. Are we short in this or are we long in this? It looks like NVIDIA still wants to go short.
I mean, I don't know if you could just put an entry at like 378 or so and see if it pushes through, buys it, and just pushes down. But
it's so
I keep
choppy
thinking
that
the second I enter a short, it's just gonna rip to the top.
yeah, and that's the problem too with this chop today. I mean, look, there's not really continuation candles, even though there's large candles. So I could see it tapping you in, then we're gonna come back up to this 45, then to come back down. Like there you go, we're tapped in. Without being tapped in, we'd be tapped in right now as he punches long.
I'm gonna try a little long right there. I'm gonna put my stop below. I don't know where I want to. I'm not even gonna have a stop right now. Probably the low of the day. It's kind of dumb, but
It's definitely questionable. But I'm in there with you. I'm in there with you.
The way it wicked through that 79.80 area and popped right back up.
Well, and
Made me
again,
think maybe
everything
it
has
was just going to
been.
trick
Oh,
a
here's
few
a
shorts.
yeah, in 10 seconds here, we got a brand new 5-minute candle too. So hopefully we get a
Charles,
little.
24,240 is making more sense to me. Yeah, I think so. If this one don't work out, we may just short it and wait the rest of the day. I was just thinking we might could get a pop back up to 400.
Mm-hmm. Come on.
The way you got to trade the pops or gold. Yeah, sometimes.
Sometimes. Not when you're stuck in them, though. Come on. Come on. You're so close.
I mean, I don't like the way it's rejecting there. But
No, me neither.
we made a little money. We got a little money to spare. I like the way that, yeah. See, there's a pop. I took one off at the 400. Now we'll just trail this one.
Oh, shit. Nice, bud. That wasn't a bad little pop. Not a bad little pop skis.
Yeah, we got almost 40 points out of
Fuck
that guy.
yeah.
All out.
Actually, look at what
That's
happened
the
to me,
gold.
man.
That's the gold Charles is talking about.
Look at what happened to me. I got out of this one, and then I didn't clear it fast enough, so I actually got into a short right here. And then luckily I cleared it the second I got into it. But actually, that short would have worked out now. Look at that.
Yeah.
VIX is starting to drop a little. I thought Charles,
Yeah, thanks,
Charles. I looked up. I thought you were talking to me when you said, "Damn, nice hold," because I held it for 3 seconds. I was like, "Listen, bud, you already know how we do this thing. You already know our trading style, sir." I mean, actually, this is a good day so far. I'm up 150 on this one. I'm up 170 on that one. Not hating it.
And it's hard to hold those, right? I mean, who else is going long on all these bear flags?
Right. Forming a nice little wedge now. Oh, good. I finally have a haircut again.
Looks like it's about time.
About time. I know, literally. Well, because usually I get my haircut every 3 weeks, but my barber keeps like canceling my appointment at the last minute because he's like on vacation or out of town or all that stuff, you know. So then I'm like, all right. And then I got into this just system where it was like, then I would schedule it maybe a week later, and then my appointment came up like 2 weeks after that. I'm like, well, fuck, man, I just got my haircut 2 weeks ago. I don't need it again. So finally, I just went an entire. Yeah, it's been like twice as long now, and now we'll finally be back on the schedule again. Charles, Greg, you need to look for an indicator that won't let you exit trades in 3 seconds. Could you imagine? It has like a green light, red light, blue light, you know, type thing or whatever. Like the whole screen is just red at first, and then it finally, after like 10 seconds, it turns like yellow, and then after like
Yeah, it turns
20
back to the
seconds,
original.
yeah, it turns green, and then it's like, okay, you can exit.
Charles, you may be onto something. Surely
not a
AI
bad
can
idea.
create that for us.
Honestly, I wonder if people would pay for that indicator, you know? Or could you imagine if there
Kind of our
was...
perfect setup right there.
I know, I was just about to click it too, and then I was like, you know what, I keep clicking this at the top, and we are kind of at the top of the range right here, and I just didn't want to be that guy
Yeah.
again. But I was going to say, could you imagine if there truly was like an inverse indicator like for your, I don't know, like literally like the second you'd hit sell, it would just automatically buy for you. The second you hit buy, it automatically sells.
The opposite.
Like, yeah, it literally does the opposite of whatever you want to do. So all these people are just like, man, I just lose, 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 lose. It's like, okay, buy our indicator, subscribe to
Well,
our
yeah, and then
indicator.
you charge them like $1 for it, right? But then to take it off, it's $29.99.
That's great. Yeah, that's funny, man. All right, so what is this stinking market doing? We might have found some support. But yeah, man, it is still pushing. It is still looking nice. I don't know. It's kind of hard to go in now, though. All you have to do is get AI to make something that is right 60% of the time. Well, that's like we were talking about
sure.
with... Man, Marcus, what is his name on here? Ooh, blanking on it. But yeah, that one guy. Oh my god, I feel so terrible.
Well, Charles, I mean, I was trying to make an indicator on Ninja and I gave up. I'm not good at coding.
Yeah. On Ninja Trader, I'm not good at coding. Yeah, dude, it's hard, man. Cause same thing. I want to do an indicator where it like screenshots your chart every like 2 minutes or every 5 minutes or whatever it is, uploads it to ChatGTP, and then just says, "What's the move?" You know, and then the little dialogue box just pops into the upper right hand corner saying like, "Right now we are trending up, and these are the levels to look for," and blah 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 blah. You know, you think that'd be easy enough to make? But that's kind of what that guy is talking. That, oh my god, I can't believe I'm blanking on his name. Or Marcy, that's what I'm thinking about. Marcy. But what is his actual friggin'... Good News, that's what it is. Good News. Good News was working on that indicator. Man, so in the afternoon sessions, when do you find are the good hours for the afternoon sessions? Is it truly waiting until 3 usually? Or is it, you know, you get a pretty good 1 to 3 window?
I mean, yesterday it was pretty nice kind of all day. I mean, compared to the last week. I mean, last week was just terrible, but
yeah.
The 2 o'clock got, you know, power hour kind of kicked in pretty decent, but
Man, this is kind of a good feeling. A lot of times, like, you know, I'm not necessarily satisfied with my trading day yet. And so I'm like, man, I got to keep trading. I got to keep trading. And like, today's finally the day that I'm like, you know what? I'm satisfied at the moment. Like, I kind of want to see if there's a good setup, and then we'll decide. Which
yeah,
definitely...
you know, that's what I mentally prepared for all weekend was just, okay, get a trade, find it, get in, ride it.
Yeah.
And then stop and then wait. And then find the next one, and don't just. But I mean, it's true. I mean, I had a couple guys yesterday pop on and go, "Are you trading or?"
Yeah.
And I'm like, "Bro, you just missed."
Just hanging out.
I just had a $300 trade while ago.
Right. Right. Oh shit! There's
But they
the
want
pop
you
up.
to be in. I mean.
Yep. There's the pop up to the 200s, which, man, that would be kind of a sketchy one. But you could almost short. You could almost short when it wicks through the 482s here. For a quick little reaction down.
I mean, I love how it consolidated right there. See it there again. It had all those wicks up.
Yep.
Which most traders will think, okay, it's rejecting right there. But no, it's just building up steam to get that good pop.
To get a good push.
There's your 480s. Maybe at the 90s, you think it would punch through the 90?
Maybe. I don't know. I'm almost honestly nervous to short this though, because I feel like I did this a couple days ago too, and it just blew right past the 200.
How proud of y'all at Greg though. Look at that. See, I said something and he's like, I don't know, guys.
We're learning.
That's monumental.
Oh!
Look at that pump.
Oh!
What did we have? Did we have
no news? That was just
no news or anything?
1104 weird friggin' candle. That was weird.
Huh. I got
God.
the FOMO there for sure.
Damn, look at that. I honestly can't believe that candle. That's a crazy stinking candle.
Will this war any headline? Yeah, for sure.
Filled.
Man, I'm trying to do a quick little reversion on this guy. But again, I'm going to have to keep it tight, which sucks because it might be right move, but wrong timing. Hey, I went from... There he is! Isaiah! Down almost 6K on the day. He's up 1,300 on the day, and he is done. Unless market gets on choppy, so Isaiah's he's locked in. He's locked in.
Yeah, you're not.
He's
going
not
nowhere.
leaving. I'm not fucking leaving. I'm not leaving. Oh my god, man! I can't believe that candle. I honestly can't believe it. I can't believe we were literally talking about it when it happened, and then I feel bad that one of us was in it when it happened. Shoot, man! Look at that. Trading Cowboys drinking a friggin' Bud Light now because of that candle.
I'm hoping it works. I'm hoping it works.
Nice, man. Made the man drink on camera. Holy jeez. Do you guys ever trade a personal account? Yeah, until we blow it up, and then we come back to these accounts.
It looked like a Bud Light.
It did look like a Bud Light. I really did. I was like, man, this dude hitting the bottle.
No, it's smart water, and if it don't work in about 20 minutes, I may have another one.
We're trying to get that Smart Water sponsorship.
Yep.
Man, what a ripper. Are you just married to the trade now?
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
I mean, not terrible. I'm not just real scared yet. but
Yeah.
If it clears the 70, yeah.
I'll bring some PBRs to the Airstream, Mark. You champion. Hell yeah, bud. Honestly, that's what this stream needs. You know? If it goes above 601, that's a pre-market 1 hour fair value gap. Yeah, I literally took all the FFGs. I don't have any imbalances or fair value gap indicate. Oh no, I still do. Oh, this is the 1 minute right now. Uh-oh. Oh no, computer froze. Shoot, man, look at this 5 minute. We're almost to the midway point of our opening 15. Look at this W. Insane.
Oh yeah, and on the 5, we're right there at the VWAP.
Insane W. We got a pivot up here at 632. $605. Man, VIX left a couple gaps behind on the way.
Ooh, huge push. Let's see if we can get out of this trade a little bit.
With this war, any headline that sounds like war is ending will make the market pop. Huh. Yeah, I wonder if we are. Yeah, this is some impressive stuff, guys. Pay attention to Trading Cowboy right here. This is where he does. This is where he does his shit. Look at that. Did you just see how far into the hole this man was? And now he just brought it back to green. This man just brought that from red to back in the green. And you know how he did that? With the art of the DCA, available now for $19.99 at Barnes & Noble's. Man, dude, we got to do it. I bet you we could
use
come
code
up,
SOS.
Yeah, dude. I think we could come up with a really good $20, you know.
Yeah.
Catalog. Yeah, of course. We gotta start working on it, man. The art of the DCA. Fucking love that. That's so funny. Got my eyes on your moves, Trading Cowboy. There you go, M. Harmon. Woo! We haven't seen you in a little bit. Thank you for stopping by and saying hello. Which, yeah, Trading Cowboy just broke 300 subs today, gang. So please make sure you're liking and subscribing. Because the more subscribers we get, the stinking prop firms will finally start giving us some free accounts. And then we can start making it rain free accounts on you lovely citizens.
Yeah.
Our lovely citizens of our trading army. Which are your followers called cattle? Is that what you call your followers? We got 300 head.
I mean, I haven't seen some of them, so I don't know. But
You know, the cattle army. We got our cattle army.
me and Miguel, we always call everybody outlaws.
The outlaws. Yeah, that's better. That's better. I think people would prefer to be called outlaws over cattle.
Now, if we get some pictures of some of them, we may have to call them cattle.
Heifers. She called her Heffany.
Just kidding.
What was
guys,
that
just
song?
kidding. Don't
Her-
unsubscribe, please.
Right? Her name's Stephanie.
We love all of
We
you.
call her Heffany. Man, this has been a silly stream today, guys. Silly stream today.
Man, I should have stayed in that short, huh?
Yeah.
Isaiah shorting and TP at 500. Well, let's go.
Shoo.
I like that.
Sure, and TP at 500.
It's respecting the 9, though, so we got to watch out for that. If this makes a little bull flag. If this makes a little bull flag, Isaiah, I mean, it's going to play out exactly what you said, right? Back up over 600.
Ooh, Trading Cowboy's about to go long. He's about to go long. We might be fading you, Mr. Isaiah.
I mean, it's a little sketchy right here, but you almost could be a genius or a loser in a few seconds right here.
Yeah, man. Yeah, I agree. This is kind of a hit that like button, guys, says Guitar Guy. Woo! So a little bit of a bull flag on the 1 minute here. The only thing that is scary is you're right. I mean, technically your stop would have to be down here at 436. So it's over a 100-point stop. You could put a stop here at like 540s, I guess. But it's not...
Yeah, and if you're short, I mean, 570, Isaiah, is
Yeah.
where it's rejecting right now. So, I mean, you could have your stop. It doesn't have to be quite at the top now. You could have it at like 575, 580. But if you really wanted to just YOLO it, I mean, stop up at 590 and...
Huh. Let's see what VIX does. VIX is still kind of
I mean, we're
going
getting
down.
the 5 minutes above the VWAP. And that's what they're trying to do right now, right? They're trying to close that 5 minute above the VWAP.
Charles, average trade time is 1 hour and 8 minutes. Sometimes I feel like I'm holding them way longer than an hour. I gotta try that sometime, man. Because honestly, if you look at it, usually, generally speaking, I know. Look at it. Fucking the second I say, hey, I gotta try that, he just dies laughing.
Hold on.
He's like, you're the one that holds for 3 seconds, right?
Hold on. We're being serious.
He's like, maybe we should try 5 minutes first, Greg, and then you can target an hour, bud. Then maybe you can work your way up. But I mean, if you look at it on the hourly, what I'm going to say is going to make sense because there's like 300 points in that last hour. I was going to say sometimes you really only have like 100. There's a lot of chop in there, but you really only have like 100 to 150 point swings. So, you know, if you buy one micro and you're down 150 points, you buy that second micro, you're down 150 points. You buy that third micro, by the end of the day, you know, you might be fully green actually doing it that way, which is kind of nuts. Cowboy's reaction was priceless, he says. That's so funny, man. Oh, he just starts dying. So Isaiah still think it's rejecting that FVG. Now, see, so
I mean,
look at the
I don't not hate the short right here, but I mean, look at all the push up. I mean,
yeah, it's
and
hard.
they got that they got that 5 to close over VWAP, and then so the bulls are like, okay, it closed above. Let's get a push. We don't have the
Yeah,
wick at the bottom of the 5 minute,
yeah. At this point, you'd think
but
like 613s at least to see what happens with the top of the wicks.
and going back to Charles's thought too. I mean, yeah, even when this candle opened here, our support was at 446. Now we're up 140 points.
Yep. Charles says he wouldn't short anymore unless we make new lows. Yeah, because look at that. We're still popping up. We're just testing the 597s now. But still, I mean, I don't know. It's such a big range now, which is another reason why it's just a good reason to just kind of stay away from the trade maybe for a sec. Because I could definitely see a 21 retest before we keep going up. Ooh, I don't know, man. You guys are... now I'm starting to think about this stupid short. I wasn't thinking about a short at all until I looked over this 1 hour, you know. That does look like either some really good support is right here at the 580s, and that's where we're hitting right now, or there's going to be some really good resistance at the 580s. And we're coming back to... I don't even have my 9 on here anymore. Do I? Where the hell is it? Oh. Oh, yeah. So this is the 9. The 9 on the 1 hour is at 550s.
I mean, we got a pivot point at 616 on the 1 hour.
Yep.
So I kind of see that coming into play for sure.
And 633 is a pivot point on the 5. Mark says no reason to short unless some big momentum, which yeah, I agree with. It's just, you know, the same thing like at 613. I agree. Yeah, 613 might be a kind of a good short. Even if it's just like 613 down to 580.
Closing above the 5 minute range with volume.
Closing above the 5-minute range.
Yeah.
Volume longs will play out. With volume, longs will play out. Yeah. I mean, we are above the halfway point on our 5-minute or our opening 15, which is 582. Shoot, I mean, Nvidia and Q still have that gap to fill to the upside. Guitar guy, I'm trying to quit smoking. You guys are helping me with that, with all the great entertainment. I haven't thought about a cigarette since I been. Nice, man. Attaboy. Attaboy. Oh no, truly I'm lost. It's all conflicting, says Isaiah. Yeah, but there's some hard stuff right now. We just wicked above that 613.
Yeah.
So this is where I might consider a short. But since everybody's yelling at me, telling me not to take the short, I guess I'm not going to take it. But it does seem like you could do a 513 to or 613 to a 580. Seems like it'd be pretty realistic.
Yeah, I mean, I think clearly, and this is just me. I mean, we've pumped up. We don't have a wick on the bottom of this 5 minute. It's fixing to close. I think we have to come down to. I think we have to come back down to VWAP almost. You know,
Yeah,
at least
we gotta come
at
down.
least 565.
All right,
But
we're gonna
we'll see how
try
it
one.
plays out.
We're gonna try one. You talked me into it. Whoops, that's the wrong one.
I mean, it's the same thing right here.
There you go. Price target
It's the same
hit.
thing that we look for.
Which man, I was
that
just
I
about
look
to.
for.
I was just about to switch that from a price target to a trailing stop. But still, boom, fucking called it out. Perfect, gang. Good job.
Well, yeah, and Dashiki just said keep an eye on 24603 initial balance value area high, bit of
Yep.
resistance.
Bit of
So, yeah.
resistance. Hell yeah.
And when you look back just on the if you look back just on the 1 minute, I mean, that's what I was looking at back here. Is the 613 was, I mean, resistance at 830, 831,
Yep.
836,
Yep.
840, 846, 847. So we had to get a little bit of a pullback there, especially after we pumped up 100 and what 50, 60 points.
Yep.
And it's not a following the trend trade for sure. And there's a bit of risk to it. But y'all watched us just do the same thing while it was going down.
Right.
We played longs for 20, 40, 60, 100 points.
I was just gonna say that too. I think that it's becoming clear that, not becoming clear, not saying this the wrong way, but yeah, I think that we're leaning towards we are reversal buyer, or we are reversal traders, I guess.
Yeah. Yeah, we're catching the bounces and the
Yeah.
pullbacks and
Yep. So we're not necessarily looking for a bull flag and playing that bull flag long. We might look at a bull flag and short it down to the support of that bull flag, which
Yeah.
seems a little insane, but it's been working out so amazingly. It's kind of hard to not do it. And like you said, now, my God, I can't talk any longer. Because this isn't going to make sense because of your trading style today. You've been holding stuff for like 30 minutes, but generally speaking, with the reversal trading style, you really do only have to hold stuff for like 10 seconds or 20 seconds or 30 seconds, and you're getting that nice 20, 30, 40 point pop in that very short amount of time span.
yeah, and you're watching, I mean, not really volume because I don't really have volume on here. I do on my trading view, but you're kind of watching the wicks of the candles, the speed of the candle. And then
Yeah.
I'm looking back constantly on my 1 minute. I'm saying, okay, it rejected X amount of times there. Okay, on my 5 minute, you look at the 5 minute, it was 4 times. It was the first 5 minute, the first 3 5 minute candles rejected at that point.
Yep.
So that's what I'm looking at. I'm thinking, okay, we're gonna have to have some kind of pullback there.
Some
And not saying that
resistance,
the
yeah.
trend's over or nothing. And then I'm thinking, okay, we just went up from, I mean, we bounced off 370. So now we're up 120 points, 140 points at the top, or 240. Sorry,
Right.
we've got to have some kind of pullback.
Some type of pullback. And also, I mean, think about it that way. So we are kind of agreeing with you guys too that we have some momentum to the upside. VIX is going down. Nvidia has a gap up. Qs have a gap up. So overall, big picture, we might be going up. Especially we have our London highs up here at 693. There's a lot of good targets up there. But if you went long here, for example, because you see the bull flag playing out, you're holding for all those candles, and you're only getting maybe a couple points up, and then you're getting all these wicks down and stuff like that. Versus the reversal of that, you hit that reversal, you're just in and out, whack, real quick, because it's just something that makes sense. You're also a momentum trader, yeah? I mean, it's kind of a mixture of all this stuff, man, right? Momentum trader, also a little bit of a
Yeah, I mean that's all. I mean,
reversal.
and that's what I've advertised myself from the beginning is
Momentum.
I'm strictly momentum. I mean,
Yep.
I gotta show this to y'all guys. Let me get
Isaiah goes, difference between him and me is the stress from the stream is causing me to chain smoke. That's funny.
Yeah, Isaiah started smoking yesterday when he joined. So.
He's got 10 patches on him. Oh my God. All right, I gotta go pee.
All right, I don't know if y'all can see this. I'll try to get it.
Oh, is that?
One of my boys just sent this to me, but he made he pulled a bunch of money out of his account this last week. So
Yep.
he started with I think he started with like $200 or $300 yesterday, doubled it, and then he doubled it again today. I don't know if I can get it on there right, but can y'all see that?
Up to three.
Doubled it again, made a little over $600.
Oh hell yeah! He's up to $1,300. Nicely
yeah, made
done,
603,
man.
78% on the day.
Hell
Crazy.
yeah! What was he trading?
He trades SPY. Yeah, just SPY.
Oh, okay, yeah. So options, are the SPY options or?
Yeah,
Okay,
exactly.
yeah.
He listens to us. He follows our trends, and that's
Yeah.
the way he does his options.
Yeah, man, that's super sick, dude. That's like, oh shoot, man, we haven't seen him in forever. I can't believe I'm blanking on people's names today. I'm terrible with that. Saw fucking our India guy. Sod? Was it Sod?
Oh yeah, yeah.
Yeah, I haven't seen
We haven't
Sod
seen
in
him in a while. Where
forever.
you at, Sod? He's maybe in the
Yeah.
background.
He's just watching. He's not talking. The fuck, Sod. All right, I gotta pee. I'm about to die. Excuse me, puppy. Hello. Excuse me.
Crazy push back to the top, right, guys? I mean, this is 636. Excuse me, is a good pivot point right here. May get a little rejection here. We kind of got a tough road ahead of us right now. I mean, we have that rejection point there, but then we have the box. Our 15-minute box is 660. I guess would this be our... I guess this would be our 5 minutes, kind of... Is it 627-ish? But yeah, our 15-minute opening range box, 661. And then we got the 200 on a 5 minute at 670. So we definitely got some stuff right here we have to push through if we're going to keep going up. My jaw's hurting. I've been chewing a lot of gum since I've been here this morning. Oh, I love a guitar guy. And you know, I can imagine day trading. If you're quitting smoking, day trading is probably the hardest thing you can do while you're quitting. But man, if you can get through it and day trade at the same time, you'll probably never want another cigarette again if you can push through it. I used to like to eat the... Oh, shoot, what are the little Lifesaver mints? With the way we rejected, I'm thinking we take out the 15-minute ORB high. Yeah, Mark, I kind of agree. I mean, we're getting some rejection here. I want to see how far it pulls. But honestly, I think if, and this is just hypothetical, I don't want nobody to take this trade, but we could wick through the 660 and wick through 670. I think we're going to get a hard pullback. I think. And then maybe come back to the 620s. So, you know, maybe a 50-point pullback. And then I want to see if we can really push through that or not. And then maybe target the 740s. And that's just me thinking out loud, kind of on the fly right here. I really don't want to just jump into a long right here and think that's what it's going to do, though, right? I mean, there's so many times you miss a move and you think, well, it could still go to here. But in theory, if we were in down here at the 580s or something, then we could just wait and hold it for that. But I had a long and out at 630s. Nice. I think that was perfect, Margaret. And I would have got out right that if I was in a big trade, I would have exited at that pivot point to the 630s. I would have done it before the 636 just because sometimes they trick the market a little bit. I'm just thinking about it. There was a 200-point crash at open, and we were overall in a crashed market. I mean, yeah, I kind of see that. And we did have a big dump. Now we had a nice V recovery, which the market is famous for its V recoveries. And like they mentioned earlier, I mean, if somebody says, hey, the war's over, I mean, even if, you know, even if they say it's over because there's nothing left of Iran, right? I mean, the market would just pump like crazy. Oh, London Open. Yeah, I got you. Yeah, it was crazy at London Open. So now we kind of see if this is our half retracement, the 620, if it holds. I really don't want to be a player in it, but yeah, it clearly jumped up 10 points.
Ooh, we think about long skis.
Oh, we were just talking about all the pullbacks. Mark was kind of thinking we could take out the 15-minute ORB. He got out of his long at 630, which I think was super smart.
Yeah.
But we're kind of seeing that, and depending on time-wise, I mean, if that 200 intersects our 15-minute ORB, then I mean I'm gonna just look at I'm gonna look and see if we get a fast wick up through that,
And then short it.
and then I'll probably just try a short just right off the
Short the
bat.
fuck out of it.
And that's just straight momentum. I mean, we also have at 650 we have the 21 on the 1 hour.
Well, another thing, NVIDIA. So again, we talked about gap fill, but reverse of that is if it forms an M pattern here, then yeah, same thing. We're gonna shoot down pretty darn quick.
Yeah.
My jaws hurt. I've been chewing a lot of gum since I've been here this morning. Well, again, man, you're not supposed to be trading anymore. You're supposed to be green on the day. You're not supposed to be trading. You're supposed to walk away an hour ago happy and thinking about, I did this right, I did this right, I did this right. Tomorrow, that's what you got to work on. Tomorrow you have your green day, and then you walk away. Set a profit target. Walk away when you hit the profit target.
Yeah.
Because it does, your mental starts slipping so much after you've been trading for too long, You'll start looking at every trade as, it looks like a good trade. So here's your point, though. Perfect exit at the 630s. We came back down, retested our 21. Seems like she almost wants to retest, like you guys are saying, the 548s. We have
yeah, I mean, that 636 pivot point, we're down 50 points from it now. I mean, come on.
Crazy looking bull flag on the 1 hour, though.
Yeah, I mean, you kind of want to think, okay, is this our pullback we need, or do we need to come back? Do we need to wick through 570?
I think we need to wick through 570. I think we need to, honestly, I think we got to come back down, retest the 540s. And by the time we do that, shit, never mind.
Maybe? I don't know.
Too fast now. What I was going to say is I was hoping that the 200 was going to curl up to the 540s by that point. That was going to be our support. But the 200s is still way down here at 511. End all be all is like 440s. Blech. Man, if only I had held that long at 350. But that's catching a falling knife, right? Like that literally was us catching a falling knife. But we were talking about it for the longest time. Like support at 350, support at 350, support, and then fucking ripped. Which I got out too early. I got at the 390s. You rode that a lot better. You held that pretty good.
Mark, I was talking about long, but so I probably talked you into taking the short, Mark, because I kept saying.
Yeah, Mark, you're testing your inverse indicator. That's what you're testing.
Yeah.
That's market research. So that's pretty smart. Ugh. NVIDIA is just a little red. VIX is going a little green. How many VIX had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6? Had 6 reds in a row with kind of a green doge. Yo! Good job, guitar guy. He's not trading. He's just supporting the crew. In that case, we love it, bud. That was the best decision you made all day. Good, man. Good to hear. Good to hear. Good to hear, good to hear, good to hear. I mean, again, hopefully, listen, sooner than later, we'll be able to make it rain accounts. And we definitely love and appreciate the guys that have supported us along the way. So, obviously, you guys are getting accounts. We just got to get there, guys. You just got to give us some patience. We're almost there. Especially...
tell all your friends, tell your mom, your sons, your daughters, tell everybody to subscribe, and it'll happen faster.
Yeah, man. Especially because you guys are going to be
YouTube accounts.
You know what I literally cannot wait for? So I was just looking at Nutty Bar was talking about all the Apex stuff, and he said in the next 2 weeks, people that are in your situation, Cowboy, should be getting the email saying that you're allowed to trade Apex evals again. I cannot even imagine what this stream is going to look like when you have 20 Apex accounts linked together and you're doing the
Yeah.
crazy shit that you do. I mean, that's 20 grand. That's a $20,000 day. You know, those are
Yeah.
$25,000 days. That's,
Yeah, it's gonna get crazy for
I
sure.
cannot wait. As I'm talking a little bit too much because we are flipping green here. How do we feel about that candle?
I mean, we
Let's.
missed my entry by, geez, I mean, 3, 4 points maybe. I really thought it was gonna wick to the 560, wick below it a hair.
Yep. No Discord, man. No Discord yet. Which I don't know. I guess we'll consider it, you know, because I think there's a couple people too that said that they'd be willing to help us out and be admins and stuff. Because that'd be the thing, man. I couldn't imagine I
Yeah.
couldn't imagine doing everything we're doing right now and then also typing in a Discord at the same time, or like screenshotting stuff and putting in the Discord or anything like that. Like that just seems like that's a lot. And then trying to trade
Well,
at the
yeah,
same time.
if we could get Mark and Charles and stuff like that to help us with that, because I mean,
Yeah.
come on, guys, I work with my hands until I started doing this, so I mean, sometimes when my phone rings, I can't answer it the right way.
Yeah,
So
we need our IT department. We need our
yeah,
IT. Shoot, man, I almost FOMO'd this long too. I was hoping that it might come back and retest this 21 at 600s, but it didn't. It just blasted up 40 points.
I mean, Greg had to walk me through how to get on Ninja to get onto his stream, and then we had to FaceTime when I put him on mine.
Yeah, to get to connect it all and everything. Mark
Yeah,
says he'll help make shorts every day. Dude, that'd be huge as well. Honestly, it takes me
heck
like
yeah.
I don't know, because I use a Premiere Rush, but it probably takes me about like 30 minutes to make my shorts, and as simplistic as they are too, you know, just purely copying the 3 different video things and then like scaling them down and scaling them up to the correct size and putting them in the right place and blah 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 blah
Oh
blah.
yeah, I would love that, Mark. I mean, yeah, I mean, like yesterday, I got off at 3. I went down and worked, and we did some stuff till about 5:30. And then I came up, and yeah, I mean, it took me an hour to make that short.
Yeah.
So
Yep. Shoot, man. All right, we're gonna have to think about this. We're gonna have to think about this as a business. We got to start organizing it.
I can help give bad advice. We're gonna let Isaiah name the short videos.
There you go. Oh my god, dude. I couldn't even imagine the names that Isaiah would come up with. I would love it. The SEO is just going to go through the friggin' roof.
All right, give me just a second. I'm gonna pop out for a minute.
This is where the wheels fall off. This is where the wheels fall off, guys. So, let's see. I mean, we are forming a little bit of this M pattern right now in the 1 minute. Boom, boom. But we're overall bullish. So I still think longs are going to be the way. I think they're just trying to build up a little bit of steam for it. If we're looking at the 5 minute, kind of same thing. 5 minute has a really nice bull flag playing out. But similar situation. It's just been such a volatile and wicky day. We kind of got our confirmation candle here. I wouldn't be surprised if we come back down, retest like the 580s or something like that. Which we're 600s right now. VIX is starting to spike just a little. Nvidia curling down just a little. So yeah. Remember when I said go short? We still in that short, says Isaiah. Woo! Nice, buddies. Though I can't even remember when you entered it. When did you enter it? Or did you enter that a while ago? You entered that actually. He might get y'all banned from YouTube. I know, we get some risque short captions. Which it is annoying though, with YouTube, you only have a 100 character limit, which has to include the hashtags as well. So they're very tiny, they're very small descriptions. So long ago, Dong, I'm bad, I'm down so bad right now. I was just gonna say that. I was like, wait, man, didn't you say short like You know, like 50, 60 points ago. Whoopsies. Little hammer candle on VIX. Sorry, gang. This is going to be boring for a second here. I don't know. I kind of want it to fall more so that we can go up. But I don't want to short this right now because we have strong... You know, we've had strong momentum. 612 now. I don't know. I mean, for you, Isaiah, if you're just in it to win it, man, I might put a price target at like 552 for that short and just hope you get lucky. And it might, you know. We might get a quick wick of VWAP. That 200 is slowly curling up like I wanted it to.
Man, listening how I was coming in, I was proud of you, old Greg boy. I mean, you're like, I don't know, guys. I think I'm gonna wait a little bit.
Yo, right? Look at that. We're learning.
And usually he's like, I'll just try right here for y'all guys.
You know what? We're gonna jump in. We're gonna try, little guy. So yeah, I mean, we're up 188 on one, 168 on the other. It's not a terrible day so far.
Yeah.
So I guess
stuck in the rain. Yeah, we're getting a little rangy right here after that little drop. But
yeah. Might almost be good time to take a break, in all honesty. Maybe we walk away for an hour or something like that.
Yeah. Works for me. I mean, we had a great session, great morning.
Dude, it was a lot of stinking fun, man. This is a great session. I was dying. Like, that's going to be my short. I'm going to have to go through it really quick, but I think that the short that I want to create today is honestly going to have nothing to do with our trades at all. It's just going to be like different clips of us dying laughing the entire time. Because honestly, that's what it was, man. We were just... Good idea, guys. If you go away, I will probably keep trading. I'm back. I see nothing has happened. Charles, I know it. You're going to long at 645. Now it looks like we're going to be stuck. 645. Am I going to long at 645? 645. No, probably not.
Well, and actually, Charles, while you were gone, we had a board meeting, and we nominated you and Mark to help run our Discord and all that.
Oh, yeah, correct, bud. Yeah, sorry. So, Charles, IT guy, you're kind of locked in now, man. You're kind of locked in. We need shorts out of you guys. We need Discord moderation out of you guys. Actually, Marco, obviously, I need you. I want you to trading with us sooner than later too. And same thing with you, Charles. I would love to get you in on a couple streams here as well.
Yeah.
We're considering opening the Discord, though I will admit, even though I've been a part of a couple Discords, I've never even considered it, thought about it, know nothing about it. So I wouldn't know, you know, how to create it, really what people would even be looking for inside of it, how to run it, or anything else. So yeah, if you guys want to take charge of that, honestly, I think that would be phenomenal. But yeah, 100% free, right? It'd be 100% free. I don't really know the value of having a Discord, right? I guess it's just because people can always go in there to chat and stuff. So
yeah, I mean, I think it would be. I think it'd be good that way. People could share some of their wins and victories. I mean, they could share some of their screenshots when they did have a good trade or a bad trade.
That makes sense. You know,
can't do that because we can show ours on the screen, but we really don't have a way for them to show us. Hey, I had a green day. Ooh. You know, I listened to y'all all morning. I made $200.
I like it, man.
And then I mean, I checked on the challenge coins again this week. They told me it'd probably be another week, but
dude, such a good idea.
When people post in there, hey, I passed my first eval, and they show us proof, boom, free challenge coin coming your way.
Dude, I fucking love that idea. It's such a clever idea. It's a very, very, very good idea. I could make a mindset course, says Mark. Yeah, dude. I mean, honestly, same thing with Charles too. Charles would be the art
Yeah.
of the hour trade. You know, just hold it for days.
I mean, yeah, Mark. I mean, we could even go in there and post little videos. I mean, we could have a little Bible study in there if you wanted to, Mark.
Yeah,
We can do whatever we want to in the Discord,
yeah,
and then people can listen to it or not.
yep, yep. I love it, gang. Look at us. We got the mind trust together. We got other people watching right now. They're like, "What the fuck is going on?" Is this-
Little board meeting going on
are
with the
we
guys we trust.
are we trading or Welcome to the Discord support group.
Oh.
Man, VIX is actually about to make a low of session low of day, as we friggin' rip up. Look at this rip up to the 670s, guys.
I know it. I mean, that 1043 candle or 1143 candle for y'all, it was really tempting me because I don't know if y'all watched it, but it wicked down and it just started jumping back and forth right below the 21, and I almost grabbed it, but.
Dang it, man.
And then the next one made the perfect one too. It opened up, it came down, wicked down to the 9 in the top of our range here, and then popped right back up. But
Yeah, Isaiah,
I
you
know
were
it,
saying
Isaiah,
that.
you
You
were
were
right.
saying 645. Yeah, that's funny. Man, the weird thing though is Nvidia really hasn't moved, though it is now. Nvidia's starting to form an inverse head and shoulders, so that's kind of a fun looking pattern there. So here's Nvidia's gap fill. It would still have $2.5 to go for that inverse head and shoulders to fill. Q's is getting a good strong push up now. But again, Q's would still have to go up $7, $8. $8 to fill their gap, which seems a little insane as we rip past the 700s.
and there's 720.
Fuck me, look at that.
If it pops to 40,
Look at
We're gonna get
stinking
40.
that, man. What? Shoo, are we just going to go right to the 800s? VIX just friggin' plummeted. Oh, because VIX had a previous, because we gapped up the other day, VIX never filled its previous gap. So VIX actually has a gap to the downside still. A $3 gap to the downside. That.
yeah, I thought it was going to hold at that 2432 because that's a pivot point, but it just blew right through it. But now we kind of have the 50% below the box and the 200 on VIX at 2376. So I think we still get a little pop from here. Let VIX go down to that. But that would have been a great entry.
Yeah.
ES just hit the 200 and rejected, so that's why we're getting our little sell off right here.
So 50% of the move would be 741. We'd still have 40 more to go.
Yeah. I
Mark
have my
says
little.
we did it. We hit our level, but that was a tough entry for me. Nicely done, though, sir. Did you make sure Baby Duck's head watcher? Yes, I did. Just long and close your eyes, guys, and pray, says Charles. Mark, I'm done for the day. Had such a rough time trading these last 2 months. Need to walk away with a nice green day.
Yeah,
and
for sure.
Mark, you got to realize the importance of that decision, man. That's a very, very healthy and smart decision. I love
Yep.
it. Exactly that. Literally, that's one of the biggest things. Like, not that I need to tell you, you're already a phenomenal trader and you've already done all this stuff. But yeah, man, having that just kind of realization sometimes that, you know what, it's a good day. I'm just walking away because it's going to help out my mental for the next day and the day after. That's pretty important, pretty powerful. So good job, sir. I applaud you. Oh, they might want to hang out with you on stream too, so they're not alone all day. I didn't even think about that. Do you guys want to see my duckies? I should have brought my I should have had the ducks here the whole damn time. I'm gonna do that tomorrow. That's a great idea. We'll do that tomorrow. I'll bring my 2 duckies. You'll see them both right here. 7 people watching and only 2 likes. You gotta be kidding me, says Charles.
I love that, Charles. That happened. I refreshed my screen and we got 10 now. So
Thanks
for
you,
the call out.
Charles. Thank you. And thank you, everybody, for the likes, the support, the subscriptions. We thoroughly appreciate it. Again, even though it is kind of for us, it's also for you guys, because if we can get to that point where we have enough subscribers, then the prop firms finally will start giving us a whole bunch of free accounts, and we can start making it rain accounts on you guys. And the best news there is we don't have 20,000 people watching us. So if we give out an account a day, you have 1 in 10 chance that you're getting that account. Oh, all right, yeah, man. I feel like let's cut it off. Break time.
Let's do it.
And maybe I would say give us like 1 hour and 10. Maybe we pop back on at like 1 o'clock or something like that.
Yeah.
How does that
Sounds
sound?
good.
All right, gang. So please, again,
Let's do
like
that,
and
guys.
subscribe. Make sure that you subscribe to at the Trading Cowboy as well. We're signing off for about 1 hour and 10 minutes, and then we're gonna pop back over to his channel, and we will keep streaming
come
over
see us
there.
over at the Trading Cowboy.
Yep, hell yeah, gang. All right, love you all to death. Thank you so much for the support. Stay green, and we will see you again soon.